Some restorations aren't about reinvention, they're about quiet perseverance. This 2001 Land Rover Discovery II, now known as Project Resolute, came to Legacy Overland as a tired but loyal companion. A vehicle that had seen its share of miles, but still carried the unmistakable spirit of a true Land Rover. We set out to give it a new lease on life, not to turn it into something it never was, but to refine, renew, and ready it for the years ahead. Beneath this familiar silhouette lies months of meticulous work, every gasket replaced, every fluid flushed, every system restored to factory precision. The heart of its V8 now beats smooth and confident, the way it was meant to. Inside, the transformation continues. Front seats reupholstered in OEM-correct material. Carpet custom trimmed in biscuit tone, stitched and fitted by hand. Modern touches blend quietly into the design. A scan gauge, CB radio, dash cam, all seamlessly integrated to keep the Discovery's purposeful simplicity. Electrical gremlins were chased and resolved, harnesses refreshed, lighting restored. Even the little things, a working clock, heated seats, defrosters that hum back to life, became small victories in pursuit of total renewal. The goal was never extravagance, it was integrity. Beneath the surface, the chassis has been reborn. New shocks, springs, serviced axles, recalibrated steering, and a drivetrain ready to conquer both road and trail. Every turn of the wheel now feels deliberate, a conversation between engineering and adventure. Then came the final touch, a full repaint in its original Kelty Green. Rich, deep, unmistakable Land Rover. It's the color of heritage itself, restored with modern craftsmanship and timeless care. Project Resolute, rebuilt to endure. A discovery not just restored, but reaffirmed. Legacy Overland, where the past finds its future.